Can't believe it. Look at this. This thing is sick. Dale's getting a new shifter because C5 shifters are absolute trash. You get all the travel in the world. It's got to go.
Instead of short throw, it's a full throw shifter.
You full throw and then some. The OEM shifter
much more ghetto than what we've got. A $12 AutoZone knob.
Yeah, literally. Yeah, we chopped this one off, put this AutoZone knob on it that always falls off, and the red ring that was on it fell off. Here's what we got going on. We're obviously taking out the shifter of the Corvette, but before we get to that, welcome to my new house, boys. This is what's been holding me up from posting videos. All right, not gonna lie though, I meant to have a lot of stuff done before we moved in so that there wouldn't be a breakup in content. Obviously that didn't happen. That's because we've been moving, boys. That's also why Dale is just incredibly dirty. Don't worry about all the dust and stuff. All the Corvette owners just cringed.
Did you just put your box on the car?
Oh yeah, and I drove it in the rain. But yeah, so that's what's been going on. Hope you guys don't mind. We got a lot more stuff coming down the pike though. Anyways, back to today's video. We're obviously taking the shifter out of Dale because it's terrible in every facet of the word. So what we have ordered here that I've already opened once before is an MGW short throw stick, or stick. What do they call it?
Short throw.
Yeah, it's a short
MGW,
throw, but a
short
flat
throw.
stick. I don't think there's anything in this anymore.
Fun.
Yeah. I just love making Corvette owners freak out. Here's the ball we got.
Boom.
Oh yeah.
That's sexy.
Here's the new lower box, because the old one is all beat to crap, and this comes with the shifter. I thought that was pretty cool. Don't need that. And then, oh yeah, some foam stuff. This is the little tool that helps you align it. They started including this as well. Super cool. And then the pretty. Boom. Oh, dude, tell me that's not gonna look amazing. We're gonna do one of. Dude, tell me that's not gonna look amazing. This is gonna be so much better. All right, that's it. So we're gonna throw this bad boy in, take it for a rip, measure the differences from the OEM shifter to this one for science.
Although
it's probably been done 100,000 times.
Already been cut too. And
yeah, the factory shifter has been cut.
It's been ghettofied.
Better than what it was. I'll tell you that much for free. All right, I'll put this all back in the box and help make all the Corvette owners stop freaking out.
Look at this.
It's a daily driver, dude.
Look at this thing.
Family vehicle. You saw in the last video, I put a Christmas tree on this thing. You think I'm concerned about it?
It's a daily driver.
Daily driver, family car. So we did already chop this. We took an inch off of this already, so it is an inch shorter of the throw, which might not equal out exactly the same.
I'm gonna go center line. I want to watch. That's a.
Oof. I bet
it's 6 inches. A full 6 inches.
that's
of
insane.
Throw.
MGW really does provide everything with this. You got the little T handle here, and there's a couple other little pieces. Literally everything you need to put the shifter together is included in the box.
I just want to break it loose. There it goes. It's kind of coming. I just didn't want to drop it when it popped out. So I do not recall which way is front and back on that. So that's that's
yeah,
forward.
that'd be yes. I didn't know this existed on here. The legend lives.
Oh, yes, it does.
Oh, proud to be Team Corvette for 5 generations. Oh yeah, C5 boys. You guys like my little rig here? This overhead shot. It's got the old tripod. Corvette owners freaking out. Look, it's on the paint. Look at that. That's direct contact. These are at least on the glass. That leg definitely scraped earlier. Imagine the rage. I don't rub things on it all the time. This is upside down.
Yep. Ooh, wait a minute.
We fucked up.
Yeah.
Gotta rebuild.
We definitely got it backwards. Right, take 2.
Yeah, second time's a charm.
Second verse, same as the first.
There we go.
The concentration.
Yeah. There. Oh, I was going the wrong side in first. You put this side in first. Oh, there's. So he said get these about a 16th off.
The video does say that, but we're gonna use what just happened.
Yeah, we just lost the tip.
Yeah, you can't ever lose the tip.
Oh, we lost it. I wonder where's that magnet. I wonder if I can squeeze it out with the magnet.
Stand by. You need more telescoping action
Oh
on there?
gosh,
I don't think
it's
that's
like
long
attaching to other things. Like there it goes. Got it. We need this where we're
we
going.
might need to just above tight.
I'm not even messing around with it this time.
My goodness.
Alright, we're letting the guy with the steady hand do this one. We're just cutting out a little notch out of this guy.
I'm gonna try and do it without bleeding is the trick. Flat as possible here, but it's not as flat as possible.
Oh yeah, we're a little.
Yeah, we're definitely at like a 30-degree angle. All right, so it's cut. Looks great from this side.
Yeah, that's all that matters. All right, boys, it's pretty time. Oh, I see why they want this flat, because it sits on this.
Yeah, and you're gonna kind of tuck it around that. Yeah.
All right, so we got this guy zip tied up. We had to cut the boot a bit. And if you're wondering if I'm gonna get a new boot, the answer is yes. This old crappy one's gotta go. So first, the second is 3 inches. Almost half. Damn near half from the OEM. That's it. We're gonna take on a little. I'm gonna take on a little test drive. The old man has to get out of here. He's got a conference call he's got to get to. Can't believe it. Look at this thing. This thing is sick. The new shifter is absolutely incredible. I love it to death. I'm out here taking a few photos. I'm gonna snag a couple more of the shifter. But it's been a long time since I've been able to take the car out and just have some fun with it and take some photos. But hopefully I get a nice little sunset photo. In a previous video, when I cut the mufflers off, I did tell you guys I was gonna slap on some exhaust tips onto the back of this and hopefully, you know, make that work. However, there's a few things at play right now. Number one, I don't have the tools. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reach out to some local muffler shops. First off, just see how much it would cost for them to slap on the tips I already have. And secondly, see if they'll cut me a deal. Maybe I can do some marketing materials with them. They probably won't do that, but doesn't hurt to try. And maybe I can give them something in return with some marketing materials. So we'll try that. I just thought I'd give a little update on that. The shifter has been absolutely incredible. Now, for those of you who don't know, which is pretty much everyone here, I lost complete control of my clutch pedal. I have it band-aided at the moment, so it putts along decently. We're working on that, gonna get that finished. That'll probably be in the next video, which should be coming out a week after this one comes out. All right, that's pretty much it, guys. The MGW shifter is absolutely freaking incredible. It feels like a good piece of machinery, which is weird to say because it's such a static piece of equipment. It's so freaking cool. I mean, their billet, the kit literally comes with everything you need, minus a couple tic-tac things around the shifter. They pretty much provided all the tools you need to swap it out. Really simple. My dad was obviously there to help me do it. Worst case scenario, I think I could have done it by myself. Obviously, I'd rather him be there to help me learn things and guide me down and teach me how to do certain things so I don't break something. Granted, even if I do break something, it's all nuts and bolts. It can be fixed. It's just some of them are a lot more expensive than others. All right, boys, that's it. The sun is setting. I need to go get some photos, which reminds me, follow me on Instagram. I've got a lot more photos of the Corvette on the Instagram, along with a lot of other stuff. You know, I got the typical life stuff. Going to some car shows, really enjoying that. Got a few more that we're gonna go to lately. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. You know the deal. Can't wait to see you guys next time. But until then, peace.